Yo, what's good, bruh? I feel like I haven't done a great enough introduction, man. But yo, I go by the name JV Dub, man. Nice to meet you. Bruh, listen, bro. You ever heard of New York drill rapping, bro? Well, you in luck, bro, because I'm bringing that whole move to South Africa, bro. But yeah, listen, here's something I've been working on. Like, actually, like, but yeah,
Like waar ik op criminal lijkie, wanneer ik bang was voor een fightie. Elke aand op straat, je lijkt boeta, waar gaan het paren? Geen lega, no zo praat, en je mocht van de mensen wat haat. Kijk die way, ik zo papier en boeta, ik breng je hier.
One on one. Yo, 25 October, bro. Save the date. And make sure you check out my YouTube channel, bro. Don't forget to subscribe. And stay tuned in. You're watching the Nets, bro.